Hello guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can switch your account in Steam. So if you have a different account and you want to switch to it but you are unable to do so because you're either new or you simply don't know, then this video is for you. So the first step is to just go ahead and open the app. Once you've done so, you would be in this page. So once you're here, you just need to make sure to look at the top right corner where you can see your name. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can see options like view my profile, account details, store preferences, view my wallet, change account, and finally sign out of account. So switch account and change account are the same thing. So if you want to switch your account, you just need to tap on change account. So it says here that this will allow you to select another Steam account. If you wish to switch back to this account, you will need to provide a password or mobile authentication. Just tap on continue. So it's shutting down Steam so that you can change your account. Wait for it to reopen again. So now if you just tap on this add account option, just go ahead and type the informations of your other account, and in this way you would successfully be able to switch or change your Steam account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.